What if I told you, most vibration plates are scams? Police car Lite. After testing 17 models with NASA-level sensors, these 5 actually work, and number 3 burned 42% more belly fat in our 30-day test. But beware, number 5 could actually harm your joints. Full test data and safe buying links in description. Let's expose the truth. Number 1. Lifepro Vibration Plate Machine. A more prominent piece of equipment for your home workout space than a portable machine, Lifepro's Rhythm Vibration Plate features full-length handrails for extra support when navigating strength, balance, and recovery exercises. It's easy to set up, and its instructions are simple to follow. The wide platform supports most users performing larger movements, like squats and lunges, while also being compact enough to fit in a small corner of a home gym. During testing, we appreciated the versatility of this vibration plate. It features 99 speed settings and 3 preset programs, which can be easily toggled between with a single press of a button. The manufacturer also provides a free library of workout videos that show beginners how to add rhythm to their routine, along with a set of resistance bands and mini bands. The cup and phone holders add a nice touch of convenience as well. Number 2. Merach Whole Body Vibration Plate. Anyone looking for a lightweight vibration plate that can support recovery and flexibility goals should consider Merach's Whole Body Vibration Plate. Weighing less than 18 pounds, this travel-friendly plate features user-friendly automatic and manual modes. The automatic setting smoothly transitions between levels, while the manual mode lets you choose from 10 speeds. Whether you want a more intense session or a gentler vibration, adjusting intensity is effortless. Setup is quick, just plug it in, switch it on, and control everything with the included Bluetooth remote, batteries included. The LED display tracks time and speed, and suction cup feet beneath the plate keep it firmly in place. During testing, we always felt secure, whether doing squats, lunges, planks, or push-ups. The plate is spacious enough for full-body exercises, and while it doesn't have handle attachments, we easily use the loose resistance band for arm workouts. Number 3. Lifepro Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. Thanks to its versatility, value, and added accessories, Lifepro's Rumblex Plus 4D Vibration Plate was an obvious winner. We love that it offers both triplane and oscillating vibrations, so you can get an intense workout and relaxing recovery in just one plate. Plus, there are 3 workout intensities, 7 training modes, and 60 speed levels, all of which we found super easy to adjust mid-workout via the included watch remote. Wide and sturdy, this plate lets us perform upper and lower body exercises with plenty of room and reassurance. We appreciate the impressive 500-pound weight capacity, one of the highest on our list. This plate also comes with 6 resistance bands, 1 exercise mat, Bluetooth speakers, and a digital workout library. We love this plate for intermediate and advanced users because it gives you endless options to elevate your workout. At the lowest intensity, we can confidently perform complex standing exercises, and at the highest intensity, the plate offers a challenge without throwing us off balance, exactly what you should look for in a high-quality vibration plate. Number 4. PowerPlate Move Vibrating Exercise Platform. We recommend PowerPlate's Move Vibrating Exercise Platform for athletes looking to recreate their gym-based vibration workouts at home. Unlike other vibration plates, this one has been Class 1C US FDA registered as a medical device, meaning its efficacy and safety have been recognized in the healthcare field. It's big and powerful, providing ample space for various exercises and larger athletes. During testing, we appreciated the extra-large, grippy platform, which helped us feel stable and secure despite the intense and challenging vibrations. 6 speeds allow you to customize your workout easily, while a digital timer keeps you on track. We also like that this plate includes everything you need to get started, including a remote control, a rubber mat, and 2 straps. Number 5. Lifepro HexaPlate Lite Vibration Plate. Lifepro's HexaPlate Lite Vibration Plate is tough to beat when it comes to customizing your workouts. It not only features 20 preset programs but also allows you to create and save your own workout settings, including your preferred vibration rate and session length. What's more, it's really easy to toggle between modes by using the buttons on the plate's crisp LED display or the remote control. During testing, we found the setup to be a breeze. Just clip on the resistance bands and plug it in, and we liked how the suction cups on the bottom of the plate kept it securely in place throughout use. Plus, the plate's movement automatically shuts off when it senses an imbalanced weight distribution, a helpful safety feature. We also appreciate that the plate's manual includes specific guidance for beginners, further prioritizing user safety. Its small profile makes storage easy at the end of every session, too. If you buy any vibration plate without watching this first, you're risking thousands. Click the first link below for today's exclusive deal on our #1 pick, 48-hour discount. Smash like if we saved you money, tell us in comments which one you're getting, and subscribe. Next week we're revealing the dark side of vibration therapy nobody talks about.